Heading off to Tiong Bahru Market. Get some chili and some chichang fan for lunch. Hello.
Hello，
来了来了。
喺後邊。兩個嚟晒，咩嘢？
So I usually buy my stuff from this stall in Tiong Bahru Market. Dry goods 蝦米、臘腸、蝦米臘腸、
我攞呢個好啦，幾錢啊？3蚊。
蠔豉，兩個 kilo 係咪？
買2 kilo 俾你，
啊，唔該晒啊。
我唔好計你貴啦，計你10蚊好啦。
OK，唔該晒，唔該晒。
So you need someone you just SMS to us.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna get some chichang from this stall here. 打包10條豬腸粉，唔要甜醬啊，唔要辣椒，唔要甜醬。
我剪啊，
啊，幫我剪。
即係我剪㗎啦，我有做油芝麻就好啦。
啱啦。
可以嗰日咁樣。
好啊。10蚊係咪？唔該晒，唔該晒啊，拜拜。This is my weekly Tiong Bahru run. Buy some stuff from downstairs the market, and then lim kopi, have cigarette. Today I have a friend smoke also. Tiong Bahru Market hawker center is usually very busy in the mornings. I just bought this basket, good size, Brompton bag. So just got back from Tiong Bahru Market. Show you what I got. This is 2 kgs of hot Thai chili dried. Hot Thai chili dried. Delicious, very pedas. Love these. Some chichang fan for lunch. So chichang fan has a special place in our family because my father ate this for breakfast every day in Singapore for over a decade. Chichang fan, glazed with a bit of cooked oil, sukyo, and seal, a bit of soy sauce. So we're gonna have this for lunch, and we're actually gonna prepare some for my father as well. So I'm gonna have some chichang fan as well. And like what I said earlier, my father used to eat this every morning for breakfast without fail. So I'm gonna have some. Maggi sauce. I just put a bit more sesame oil. And of course, punch chili and glaze it. Can't go wrong with punch chili and any kind of dough, rice or noodles. Look at that. Like my mother said, 睇個樣就知道好食㗎啦. Look at that. Nicely glazed with punch chili, bit of Maggi sauce, dash of sesame oil. Delicious. So simple, so delicious.